we're going backcountry skiing today. I couldn't be more excited about it. Little keto meal, sausage, and sauerkraut. Throw a little hot sauce or mustard. You gotta have it here. So here we are, right below my motorhome. As you can see up there, mountains in the background, and this absolutely stunning location on the Gallatin. So, week into the trip, day one for skiing. Funny story. My dad calls me while I'm en route and says, "Hey, my cousin knows a guy in Bozeman. Give him a call." I'm like, "What? I'm gonna randomly call some guy I don't know, Dad?" No, he's a skier." You should have led with that. So, Kim's not only a skier, Kim's an avid skier. So he's taking me out in the backcountry today, and well, it's gonna be my first day on skis in probably over 2 weeks. I am stoked, but it's gonna be rough. Anyway, I gotta go get myself ready, organize my gear, make sure everything's working. So here I am with Kim, because all skiers are friends, and he's been kind enough to show me his backyard. And this is my first day on this big trip that I'm doing, actual skiing. And we're doing a little touring, and Kim, without giving away any secrets where we are, generally speaking, where are we?
Yeah, well, we're in Yellowstone National Park, a little bit off the beyond Big Sky. We won't get any more specific than that.
Gotta get adjusted to the altitude and gotta get rid of my bus legs. Yeah, so this is nice, low angle, safe, especially for me, here, first time in a long time.
Could you feel the little bit of
Little crust on the bottom.
Yeah.
I meant to go down, and because the snow on top was outstanding.
Yeah.
And then I was like, oh, I'm not going in as deep as I thought I was going to. But it was very skiable.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was very skiable.
We spent about an hour and a half coming in, climbing up, and we were at about 8,000 foot level. We came down on a slope that normally I wouldn't think would be very good. It has a southern aspect, and there was actually about a foot of snow in it, and Chris skied it really well. And so now we're down kind of in the gully, and we're gonna try another slope that has a north facing aspect, and we're gonna ski that and then head home. So we'll probably be out for about a total of maybe 5 hours today.
Keep going, keep going. Nice. That was fun. That was good. Yeah, that was good. That was good. Emotion. Yeah, buddy. Thanks, Kim, for showing me your backyard. This has been fantastic. We've already planned another trip together.
Hey, it's a good skier, so anytime, Chris.
All right.